I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Welcome back to Bennock's Garage. Today we are working on a 2007-2008 Honda Accord. Owner states that the car misfires, stumbles, it won't go over 5 miles an hour, and can we help solve the issue? So I have this hooked up already. I'm gonna do an auto scan. Of course, it's nice and sunny out. Maybe we can put this on the other side. Oh, it is a 2008. Yay. So, I'm going to do a scan on it. I'm thinking we're going to get multiple misfires. We're probably going to get a bad sensor somewhere. But I really won't know until we run this scan. Alright, just seeing PGMFI. So we have 7 faults on that one by itself. I don't know if it will allow me to do it now, not until the system's done. But you can see we have TPMS, tire pressure monitoring systems, and ABS lights on. PGMFI, I'm thinking that's fuel injection, that's lit up. We have a BCM code lit up. So this time we actually have HVAC lit up. We have some issues. And now I should be able to click into these and see exactly what's going on. Looks like cylinder 2 misfire, cylinder 3 misfire, random misfire, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and random. So that could be coil, that could be plug. It's still saying crank position sensor intermittent. We already replaced that once. Doesn't mean it was good, but we did replace that once already. So with all of that cleared, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the car and see. It did take a while for it to start. 3 or 4 cranks. The maintenance light's on, that's change your oil. Well, let me take it for a spin to see if we have anything or if it's still Alright, I got the flashing light. So when the light is flashing, that means we have active misfires going on in the engine. Now my foot is floored to the floor. This is as fast as it goes. So we definitely have misfires. It said cylinder 2, cylinder 3. I'm gonna rerun it again. So I ran the report again. Cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and random. Alright, so time to go pull out spark plugs and see what's going on. Once you get your new plugs in, a little tips and tricks that you might like to try and do. If this came out of cylinder number 1 and it was misfiring on cylinder number 2 and cylinder number 3, then what you want to do is you want to put number 1 into number 2 and take number 4 and put it into number 3. So if you now get the misfire again, and it happens to be on cylinder 1 and number 4, then you know the coil packs are bad. What I'm going to do here is I am going to clear these double codes, clear faults. Okay, yes. Faults, okay, we're clear now. I'm gonna start the car. TPMS light is back on again. So I'm gonna back it down the driveway and see what happens. I'm just gonna pause it. Well, did not need to back it down the driveway before we start getting the flashing. So let's see what goes on. I'm gonna do read fault. Anyway, so we did change the coil packs on number 2 and number 3 and put them on number 1 and number 4. So we know it's not coil packs causing this issue. Well, we don't know for sure. So what I'm going to try and do is do a start the car and see if I can read it while it's running and see exactly what it's doing. Alright, so we can definitely see is definitely cylinder 2 and cylinder 3 misfire. So I'm putting on the gas, it spits, it sputters, and it's only cylinder 2 and cylinder 3. So what I'm doing is a crank position sensor relearn. I put in the crank position sensor last time this vehicle was here, but I did not have this computer to do the relearn. Press the accelerator fully until the engine cuts off. Turn X with it. Okay, there we go. Okay, ignition switch back on. Okay, restart the engine. Okay. I'm thinking in my line of thought here, I have to do the crank position sensor relearn first in order to solve some of my other issues. Might not be correlated, but it's where I'm starting. Well, all I did was a crank position sensor relearn after I changed the spark plugs, and yeah, we're driving. Completely back to normal. Of course, I don't have my seatbelt on, but it's working. So now I'm gonna let the car get cold and make sure this wasn't a warmed up issue, because if it goes back to spit and sputtering when it's cold, then we have another issue at hand. So I'll take it back to the shop, let it sit until it gets cold, and try again.